Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos. Today we're going to be reviewing a easy install worktop from a company called WORKTOPEXPRESS. It's purchased via Amazon. It's a shelf which you can basically bolt onto the wall. So it looks good quality. Look at it, it's solid for sure. Looks well designed. Anyway, so shelf arrived. I think it was about 40 quid. Quite substantial. Really, the instructions are very, very clear what to do. So what I did to make my life easy, there's two holes there. There's one there which is the size of, it comes with 2 bolts. And all I did was pop the 2 bolts in there. Ran my tape measure across and it came to 30. So with my spirit level, I drew a straight line. Length of the worktop, which was 600, found the middle, went 15 each side, and using a 10mm masonry drill bit, yeah, and it needs to go 70mm deep, and behind there's 2 raw plugs you put in, and you just, there's a screw on the end of here, and you just screw them in. Are they included? They're all included, yeah. Right, yeah. The good thing with this is, they've thought about it. So you obviously want your shelf level, and if like me what's just happened is that I've drilled the holes and this is an old wall. These bolts are a bit like sink bolts, are offset, you can see it there, a wide bit and thin a bit. And all you have to do with the spanner, first of all you screw them in tight, then put your spirit level back on. I'll just take, so you put your spirit level back on. You see there, where the bubble is? So I want to get that spot, and you just literally move these to straighten your shelf up, and it's as easy as that. Really well designed shelf. And I know this bit is obvious because it gives you a bit of movement, so I'm not going to take the wrapper off. I'm doing this now because we're in the middle of decorating, as you can see. That's me just been, and basically you just push that on and that's on the wall. Should we have a look at the finish of it? It's close to that bottom one, you can sort of work. I mean, it's quite nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's unfinished, yeah, which means that probably do some oil on it just to seal it, but it's nice. It's a nice worktop, you know, it is. And there, it's perfectly straight because of these bolts that screw in. It's taken me about 10 minutes to fit. So it's one of the, to be honest, it's one of the better designed products that I've come across because it's just ease of use, especially with these where you just turn them with the spanner up or down with your shelf. Basically, it's really, really neat, and that's what it'll look like when we're finished. So that's quite nice. That's in the centre of the wall, not the radiator, because there are other things going on there, but yeah, I'm happy with that. Anyway, hope that helps you when deciding to buy one of these oak shelves. Well, it's an oak solid wood floating shelf, 600 by 200, so 600 long, 200 wide and 40 wide. Just a point, it is important that if you're putting it near your front door, just make sure it's going to clear the front door, obvious reasons. Yeah, and if you're putting it by the radiator, give it plenty of room. You don't want it all warping basically. You can stick a plant on this just to make it look pretty. Anyway, I hope that helps you.